What you on? Road glide, street glide? Road glide's up first, baby, all day. Hey, so let me ask you, big dog. Why you chose Tampa and not Myrtle Beach?
I ain't never been to Myrtle Beach.
You ain't never been to Myrtle Beach? Where you from? Okay. You a Florida boy in this bitch. Yeah, I got you. She got her.
Like I said, y'all come next year. It's gonna be. We are always lit. What are you talking about?
Yo, what's good, riders? Welcome to Tampa, baby. So this is Friday, and we are at the day party for Next Level MC. You feel me?
Yes, we decided to switch it up a little bit, y'all. We're not spending our Memorial Day in Myrtle Beach. We brought it to Florida.
You feel me?
And it was nice, y'all.
I'm back. Don't skeet on me. God damn. You feel me? Shit, don't skeet on me. She ready too. She got that big cocked. Look at her lips. She ready for it. Yo, what's good? I can dig it.
This is so lit. It's my first time here. Oh my God.
She said this is my first time. She sound like a whole tourist out here in this motherfucker.
Where that came from? First of all, you know what? You don't want to just come next year.
That's what I'm saying. So this your first time?
It's my first time. Yeah. It's my second time.
It's your second time? Yeah. So where y'all went last year?
It was here last year.
I know it was here last year. So people be going to Myrtle Beach. So y'all from here, huh? Where you from? Oh, damn. Okay. You lying like a motherfucker. We all from the motherland, goddamn. Hey, she's something else, y'all. Y'all watch her. What's your name?
My name is Shania Janae.
Okay. So where you from?
I'm born and raised in Tampa, Florida.
Okay, got you. What about you? She from Miami. You from New York? Who you talking to? You ain't talking to me. All right. We got you. Go talk to him.
Some chocolate bunny. Main speak for itself.
Okay, got you. So obviously she riding the Indian.
Yes, sir.
But you got the Challenger?
No.
What you got?
I'm old school. A 2014 Chieftain.
Okay, got you.
A lot of miles.
You feel me? Oh, she do her
I'm not
thing.
seasonal. I ride year round.
She found her own shit.
I got some miles.
I got you. So you rode down from where?
Richmond, Virginia.
Okay, girl. Get your what? 9 hours?
No, 14.
Okay. Hey, she doing big girl stuff, y'all. She doing big girl stuff, y'all. I'm with it.
Still got that thing on.
Yeah, it's rolling.
They did it, baby, and we went out there and rode, and they helped me. They voted me as the rider that I am today. It was like Jay and Frank.
Frank Johnson.
Huh?
Frank Johnson. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
I love him.
It was such a great time. I ran into some new friends, some old friends, some new friends that know my old friends. So, you know, anywho, what I'm saying is, ladies, keep on doing y'all thing. Y'all out here riding. Y'all, I mean, I'm pretty sure we cursed in the video somewhere in life. But I'm going to block it out for this one time. Y'all keep doing y'all thing. I also met some ladies who don't ride and are very interested in riding. And I was like, look, girl, we gonna come to Florida. We gonna teach y'all how to ride these motorcycles, and we gonna get on about our lives. Let's do it.
Yo, and this is my crew that I've been rocking with for a few years now. So this is the Florida crew, Daytona, Tampa. Anytime we headed to Florida, these are the guys that I'm probably gonna hit up and link up with once I get here, if I don't ride with them. So shout out to my boys, man. I got my bro Gutter representing that Unleashed Beast. You know, your boy was out of colors.
Y'all, and this lady was singing her heart out, and I was over there like, get it. Listen, y'all gotta watch all of it.
So as y'all can see, we ran into our neighbors, you know what I'm saying, from Raleigh, Durham area. So I'm guessing we're not the only ones that decided to bring the party down to Florida this year, you feel me?
Hey, let's get it, y'all. We gotta bring the heat here. Y'all also need to learn how to do the biker shuffle because...
You know the shuffle?
Do you know the shuffle?
We ain't talking about me. We're talking about you.
Okay,
you
well,
don't know the Sky, baby.
Yeah, I need to learn the shuffle, y'all.
Yeah.
But you know what shuffle I do know? The Cupid. The shuffle.
Yo, so we had a great time, man. And remember, this is only part one. But, hey, it was dope seeing our people from the Ville.
Dope.
My in-laws.
My in-laws. New people, old people, y'all. Listen, we had a great time.
And big shout out to our real riders out there that, hey, show love, show support to the channel. We appreciate y'all.
Thank you so much. And you know what y'all got, so make sure you spread the word.